In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Start by opening settings and scrolling to hit display and brightness right away. Now scroll again and this time click on screen refresh rate. Last but not least, tap on the best one in order to apply it: Smart Switch, Standard or High. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, screen refresh rate of my Vivo has changed. Quick tip: I wouldn't recommend to stay on high refresh rate all the time, because not only it will drain your battery, but also your device might heat up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!